If we have the flexibility to quickly reconfigure our production lines, it goes without saying that we need to have the same flexibility when it comes to reconfiguring our workflows that we have in production. At the same time, it's also about mastering the inventory that needs to come to the line. If you reconfigure your production line, you need to make sure that you have the materials which you need during production, that you have them available at the line, and that you can also bring them back to the warehouse after the production is finished. So these need to be tackled as well in order to bring that efficiency. At the same time, it's not only about reconfiguring those workflows, reconfiguring also those material stagings and reverse stagings. It's also about making sure that these processes are reliable and stable. Because if you fail, if it's not stable, if it's not reliable, that means that there is somewhere a hiccup in the delivery of materials to the line, which means in the end that you will impact the output of the line, impacting finally also the delivery into the market. So crucial to have a good solution in place also to master that intra-plant logistic flows that brings you the flexibility which is needed.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.